Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix YouTube comments not showing up. For example, if you open the YouTube app and if you try to check the comments for a specific video or any videos and you see that YouTube comments are not showing up. So how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to simply make sure that you are connected to proper Wi-Fi or internet connection. And after that, what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings. And in settings, what you have to do, you have to scroll it down until you find the option of general. So in general, you have to simply scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. So here you have to simply click on reset and you have to reset all of your network settings. The next thing you have to do is you have to simply open the App Store here. So in App Store, you have to simply search for the YouTube app, and here you have to simply make sure that you have installed the latest version of the YouTube app. And if it is showing any kind of update like here, then you have to simply update the YouTube app, because many bugs and errors are fixed by the latest version of the YouTube app. And now what you have to do next is you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply go to settings, and here you have to go to general, and this time you have to go to iPhone storage, and you have to look for a YouTube app, and here you have to open the YouTube app by clicking on show all, and you have to look for the YouTube app. And if after finding the YouTube app, you have to simply open the YouTube app settings. So here you have to make sure that you have click on that, and here you have to click on offload the app, and after offloading the app, you have to click on the reinstall the app, and after reinstalling the app, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do, you have to simply wait for the next update so that this kind of error does not occur. And the next thing you can check is that you can simply check whether that video comments are not turned off. Because sometimes many creators turned off their comments for their privacy. So you have to make sure that YouTube comments are not turned off. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.